Hello everyone, how are you? So today we'll learn about this latest Facebook course on how to create your business page and how to create a company page on Facebook, alright? Because if you want to run a Facebook ad, you will need a company page for that. You can only run ads through that page only. Otherwise, it's not possible for you to run an advertisement. And today I am going to tell you a process, I am going to tell you some steps that you will need to follow one by one in order to create a professional Facebook page. Along with this, I will tell you about the important page settings in the upcoming videos of this course, because these things will help you learn a lot. And because this is our latest Facebook course, and in this course we will provide you everything in a very meaningful and easy, yet in a very detailed and elaborated manner. We will also share the experiences that we as a digital marketing agency have with the clients of the industry on a daily basis. So friends, let's sit with our computers and quickly start creating the company page following these steps one by one. Let's go. Let me share my computer screen with you guys. So as you can see, here I have made a fresh and new Facebook account. Now let me tell you how to create a business page. I will click right here on the top on these 9 dots. Look here on the left side of the screen. There's an option for pages. So I will click on this option. See, as soon as I will click on the option here, you see on the left hand side on top, I have an option to create a new page. And now we will click on this. Now, as soon as we move ahead, I'll click on the creators page and you will be seeing a blank page on your screen like this. Now, as you follow these steps, just like I am doing here, you will also create a professional page. The most important thing is the name of the page. Now, whatever your organization is and whatever your company is. Okay. So now you need to write a name here, a name of your company. For now, I'll write MF. Digital. MF Digital. Fundas. Well, since I am creating this for a demo, I won't write marketing fundas here. I created a page called MF Digital Fundas. Now, as you can see, we have added the name. Now after this, what is there? Category. So now your business should have a category, right? It can be anything: medical, healthcare, hospitality, or digital marketing. And there are many. It can be any field. You have to enter its category here. This is required. You can't skip it. Our is marketing. So I will mention marketing agency. As you can see, marketing agency has options as well. You can always choose from there if you don't understand. Okay. I'm getting different options here like marketing agency, advertising, marketing, and so on. I'll select marketing agency because it covers everything online and offline. Okay. Next is the bio of your profile. So you will be needing a professional bio for your company. For the time being, I'm writing a dummy bio to make you understand. All right. So we are a digital marketing agency working in this field from the past many years. Let's say 15 years, okay? And this is how you have to write about your company. You are supposed to explain it in short and simple language. Keep in mind that your audience should be able to tell from those few lines only that what industry you are in and how long have you been working in it. What are your USPs? Because people get attracted to these things. Not everyone likes to read a long paragraph or the entire detail. They will look at your company name, category, and read a couple of lines about your company, which should be enough to give them an idea about what you do. Because then only the consumer becomes interested and explores further. Okay, so you will fill all these options correctly. Now I'll tell you what to do next. We will click on the create page. So as soon as we click on create page, you can see it starts processing, which only takes a few seconds. You can see the MF Digital Fundas has been created now, and with that our first step is completed. So now we need to follow some more steps. We are at step 1 of 5 and we have to follow each one of the upcoming step carefully. Okay friends? I will tell you how. If you have any website, please enter that website here. For now, as an example, I am going to write www.marketingfundas.com. It's our website. Let's enter it here. Enter your number. Select whichever country you belong to. Like our country is India. So now you'll have to select the code of the country that you live in, okay? And since I'm from India, so I'll select India here, all right? Then after this, I will type in my number. After my number, I will provide them with my email address. Email address. So I have added all my details. My location, which means you're supposed to fill in your residential details. After entering the address, there's an option called hours, where you'll need to provide your company information like your office or premises working hours and more required details like that. No hours available. Okay, suppose if you've taken an off from work and nobody is there to handle it, then you can update this option as no hours available, all right? Whereas there are some businesses which are always open 24/7, so you also have this option. If you work at some specific hours or suppose for 3 specific days in a week, you can customize it from here. Let's say my company is open on Monday. So what will be my opening hours? Suppose my office will open at 10 a.m. And what will be my closing hours? For example, let's say my closing hours will be, let's say it's 6 p.m. Okay, so I updated it this way. Similarly here on Tuesday or whichever days you're operational at, customize it accordingly. Personalize the timings. Each business have different working hours. It depends, right? It's not the same for everyone. Let's save it and move forward, and I hope you understood these steps. And we have completed the first step. Okay, so the next step is to customize your page, as in you have to professionalize this page. But how will you do it? Let me tell you how. You need to add a profile picture, not a selfie or any of your pictures. We are not creating a Facebook profile. We are creating a professional business page. So use a professional logo. It can be of your organizations or company. For example, I clicked here and I will go to the downloads. I am looking for my company logo. This one, okay. I will select this. This is our logo. As you can see, it's looking so proper and professional. We recently changed our logo too. Earlier it was a bit different. Now we need a cover photo. We already have one cover photo here. Again, it should be very professional, okay? And the size of the cover photo is 1080:417, all right? You can also see the ratio of the logo, which is 1080:1083. Kindly note down these measurements, please. Keep in mind that these measurements are very important. Now let's finalize these so that we can move ahead. Also, you can see that our banner is also uploaded. Next is a call for action step. Let's add the action button. Here it is. Let me tell you, you'll have to customize your action button also. So now this is very important. Let's say you have a business where your audience needs to book an appointment first. So here you will put a book now feature. And if anyone needs to register, then you can put a sign up. There is start order view shop button also. Okay. You can put a get tickets button for the upcoming events, and you can also put a send message button to connect with the user through your messenger. You can even put a WhatsApp button or a call or contact us button. All these options are available for you. Suppose if you want to send us a WhatsApp message, then I will put the WhatsApp button which will connect us on WhatsApp. And we can also put a call now button here. Let me show you how to do it. I'll show it to you once again. Here is the calling option. Let's jump to the next one. Okay, so now you'll have to add your number. Click on it. Add the number. Now save it. Many people create pages, but they miss on providing a call to action. If someone visits the page or is interested, it should be convenient for them to be able to reach out to you through the page itself. It makes your work easy. It increases engagement. The user can easily connect with you. Your leads don't go to waste. Understand this. You can edit it as many times as you want. You have the option of editing available here, so you can change it again. Now we will proceed to our next step, which is, it often takes a little time to process. And then let's move on now. Let's move on to our third step. Here it is. This is our third step. Connect WhatsApp to your page. So if you want to connect your WhatsApp, then you can add your WhatsApp number. For now, I am skipping it. It is the same process that I explained to you. This is the fourth step because your page shouldn't look empty and blank. So if you are creating a page for your company, then you should also invite some of your employees and acquaintances to increase the engagement. If I want to invite someone, I can choose from here. I'm not saying that you should invite everyone. Whoever is there in your friend list, in your profile, you can send it to them respectively. For example, I am sending and I selected 2 people and the invitation has been sent. You can send it to anyone, no matter how many people are there in your profile, it's up to you. Okay. Send 5,000 invites if you want, whoever accepts will join back. Now let's move on to the next one. Stay informed about your page. So you will get notifications on your profile about marketing emails, new meta updates and more. It's an information option for the page. Keep it on or off, it's up to you. Not a necessary step to follow, it is in your hands. Now as soon as we click done. So finally this is almost complete, everything is done here. It says welcome to your new page. Currently I don't want any tour, so not now. Here I want to show you that our page has been created. You can see that it's ready. One post is also uploaded on the page, so it's good to go. So here I taught you how to create a fresh business page. I hope you understand it because all of you have to learn how to run Facebook ads. So you can create a page now. Just remember one thing, that don't start ads immediately after creating the page. And I have told you this many times. Some people create accounts, they create pages and start running ads. Nothing will happen, only your account will be suspended or disabled. So if you don't want that to happen, please avoid doing it, okay? Now in the next video, we will learn about settings. Thank you.